Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how you can edit your blog post in Wix. And so I went ahead and I just logged in here and I want to show you how to get to your site if you're not sure how to do that already. Right here I have the name of the special blog which I had started before. And if you want to watch that video, you can certainly check down in the description. Or if you haven't started with Wix yet, check in the description for any link to get started. I'll include any deals or discounts so that you guys can, of course, save as much money as possible. So again, feel free to take advantage of that if you like. So what you want to do is click this little down arrow here, and then I'm going to click Edit Site. You can see we have some other options here if you want to rename your site or transfer it. But again, we're just going to go ahead and click on Edit. And what this will do is actually bring you into your site, and so now we can start working on our Wix website here. So what I want to do is actually manage and edit the post area here and show you how you can actually change this. So what I did is I just kind of scroll down. You could edit your header, but again, today I want to focus on the posts, how to edit that, add a new post or edit existing ones. So we're going to click on Manage over here. And then this is going to bring up the ability to just specifically manage our post area. So you can see here as I scroll through these are the ones that came kind of pre-installed. I can edit them if I like, or I can create a new post. So I'm going to start by editing. I'm just going to click on Edit here. And now it's going to bring up this post, and just anywhere I click, I can start changing. You know, instead of 15 bloggers, maybe I want to change that to 10 bloggers. And you know, the text here, maybe I want to add something at the end. So what I did is I just clicked there, and I'll put this is where you can add additional text. It's very easy to do. And then if I hit enter and go to another line or drop another line, you can have spaces in between if you like as well. Yeah, there we go. And I'll save the image editing for another video here. I'll probably do that in the next one. So that's basically how you could start editing an existing post if you want to make some changes, which is really nice. And you can autosave is on. You can also preview it. So if you click preview, it'll give you a preview of what it looks like. 10 bloggers. Okay, yeah, I like that. And so if you like this, or if you don't like it, you can make changes, which is nice. So I'm going to click out of that. Let's say I decide, and I don't like that spacing. I'm just going to bring it back up like that. Then I can preview it again. There we go. You can see the change took effect. So I'm like, yeah, I like that better. I'm going to stick with that. Okay, now I can go ahead and we can discard changes. We can revert to the draft, or I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. I like it. So yay, now it's been published. So we have this changes. So now if I go in here and click on edit again, you can see the changes I made took effect. And so I'm not going to do any new changes, so I'll just leave it as it is. Okay, next up, sorry, I went out of the whole thing. I wanted to show you how you can actually add a new post if you want to do that as well. So in the same area, we're back in here. We're just going to click Create New Post, add a catchy title. This is my new cool post. And then I just hit Tab. You can click down there. This is where you can put your awesome and really cool text. And then I'm just going to hit Return. Or you can, hit return again. And now down here we see these little icons. You can add an image, you can add a gallery, a video, a divider, HTML code, all sorts of cool stuff. So I'm going to actually add a photo. And I want to show you what's cool about Wix is you can go ahead and upload it from your computer if you want, but you can also explore media from Wix, which is really cool. So let's say I wanted to do something I was thinking of like writing. And I'm just going to hit return after I was searching for it there. And now I got all these great, images, writing related images that I can find one that I like and use it. So you can see filter by, and so you could also do illustrations if you want an illustration. You got different categories here, orientation, actually, which is cool if you want it to be more vertical or horizontal. Let's see, as I'm looking at these, actually, the man writing there. Cool. And then after you click on it, you can click Add to Page. And there it is in the page. And that's how you add an image. So you can see it's super easy to do. That's what I love about this. Everything's so easy. It's even fairly intuitive. But again, I wanted to just show you some of these things, especially if you've never used it before, just to try to make it a little bit easier for you. So again, that's all there is to it for being able to edit an existing post on your Wix website, or if you want to add a new blog post, that's how to do that as well. Now, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Again, I always love getting to try and answer and help as much as I can. And again, just a reminder, if you haven't had a chance to sign up for Wix yet, I'll put a link in the description along with any deals, discounts, promotions going on. I'll include all that in the link, again, so you guys can get the best deal possible as always. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.